Okay, here we have two cameras. Camera 1, yeah, this is the back camera, and this is going to be the front camera. And inside there is a RP3 receiver. Okay, so it does work. Let me show you. Here's my transmitter. Right, I turn on the relay. So there is a relay on. Now when we turn on the let's see, how can I show this? When we turn on the camera, oops, here's one camera. You can see this. This shows now in the back. This is the back camera. I'm filming this. Right? Then, when I flip the switch, the camera switches to the front camera, as you can see. So this is a video switcher. This is the switch I use. Two position switch SD on radio master packet transmitter, and this is the switch to turn on the relay. So this is off now, and there is nothing coming from here.